Kohima और Dimapur मजुरे बिशी crucial रास्ता NH29 दे माटी गिरिगिना रास्ता पूरा बंद हुआ कारे मानुकान बिशी दिक्कतार सामना कुरिगिना आयेसे इदो अपर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट प्राय NHIDCL के 72 घंटा दिशे रास्ता सफा कुरि दिबोले नहले सरकार प्रा ही सफा कुरिगिना बिल्स कान NHIDCL प्रा दिबोले लागिबो कइसे आज हॉर्नबिल टीवी NH29 जिब्सा विलेज कुदे माटी गिरिगिना आसे तदे जागिना ब्रांड ईगल्स कंपनी कुन प्रा साय आसे इदो लगा मैनेजर गे खोता कुरिया समय कंपनी प्रा 72 घंटा दे रास्ता सफा कुरि दिबोले कॉन्फिडेंस थाकिया कइसे और 12 घंटा दे 1 लेन रास्ता सफा कुरि दिबो कइसे
हॉर्नबिल टीवी रे NH29 डिमापुर और कोहिमा लगा बीच टे रे जुब्जा विलेज टे लैंडस्लाइड हुआ लगा एरिया रे आही गिने से तो moi khan yere aji ahi gine thaka nishna yere 15 days upor hoy jaise massive landslide ahi gine in terms of 350 feet laga debris ro mati ro slide kuri gine giri gine yere rasta bon kura 15 days upor hoy jaise aru itia yere rasta to clear kurle bishi digdar hua nishna aru dusra state khan dibi jawale laga lifeline do bon kurina yere trucks in terms of 100 trucks mohan dimapur bra ahi thagile do trucks kan do all the rasta sob teinega park kuri gine rukhi ase kumba to janai dia hisab tahan 10 days upor hoile bi rukhi ase koine janai dia ase aru yere Manipur laga main lifeline aru dusra states kumba laga main lifeline do bon hoi ja nishna manu bishi digdar pai thake ase to in that time jua kali Nagaland laga government bra 72 hours dishe NHIDCL khan ge itu rasta clear kuri bole hoile bi to itu rasta clear na kuria tak to manu an duk pai thakibo itu karne ere Hornbill TV ahine ground report kuri thaga nishna itia ere itu company itu laga contract itu laga rasta sala company laga engineer ke kotha kuribo tahan itia rasta ro clear kuribole paribo na within 72 hours itu eklai noile tahan kininga challenges can be face crazy itu la holibi itia kotha kuribo moan yere brand eagle la engineer lo dese so we wanted to get more updates on the road na see the amount of debris that has fallen mo ekbar camera person ke dekhabi ko rasta to pura rasta laga structure khan to pura jai jise in fact debris giri gine bon kuri gine dikhya hisab hoile ro poila rasta thakya nishna bi na dikhere mohan itia ekbar ere contractor ke kotha kuribo aro contractor ke first details khan de ala khan de na jagere we wanted to know the amount of debris that has fallen we are hearing that it's almost 350 meters slide that happened. Can you tell us more?
Actually the slide is coming from approximately 200 to 300 meters above from that mountain side, so whatever we are cleaning it's coming again and again, so whatever the restoration works are going on it's continuous and we are removing heavy amount of that debris, but the problem is that it is continuously coming again and again. So whenever we are trying to open that road, so we have opened also and earlier 2 to 3 times we have opened, but after that it has completely blocked because of the weather and the rainfall had happened, so the debris came in a very heavy mass, so we are trying it, but hopefully it will be done by today evening or tomorrow morning. That debris will be cleaned. As you can see that machineries are working in both sides. In here, three excavators and hivas are working. In that side, Kohima side also 3 excavators and machines are working. So we are working tirelessly day and night in both shifts. So hopefully we will get some good news by tomorrow morning.
So one of the contractors in charge also mentioned that at least one lane can be cleared, maybe in a time span of 12 hours. Now, can you give us more details on that?
Yes, that's what we are trying to do here. But because the land mass is very heavy, so we are trying to clear just one lane so that the traffic which are blocked in both sides can be thrown out by passing through one lane only.
So, it hasn't been raining for 2 days now, na? Is that posing as a positive, positive thing for the workers today? Is your workload being a little more easy today, the fact that it hasn't been raining for 2 days?
Actually, the weather is supporting us, but the problem is that water is coming continuously from the above. You can see by your camera also that both sides we have made one channel, and workers are working in the hillside also continuously, so that the water can be diverted in both sides. Whatever the water is coming, it should not come in the valley side. It is diverted in both Kohima side and Dimapur side, and we are trying one channel, making one channel so that it can go in the drains or what. It cannot affect land and workers also.
So the state government said that somehow they helped pump out some water at the top of the hill, na? At the top of the landslide. Did it help in any way?
Means I don't have any information about that, but if they are doing that, it will definitely help us, because water will definitely not come in downside area, and it will not push the landslide. So we will clear that area in that given timeline also.
How about, I wanted to ask something else. You have been working continuously for almost 15 days now, or even more now. What were the, we'll go there because there is a lot of noise now. So what do you think, what were the major challenges for the company in these many days of work when it comes to the landslide, the major challenges you had to face?
Earlier we were having the weather problem, because rainfall was continuous and it was affecting us, because whatever the dumping areas we were having, the highway movement was very difficult. But now from past 2 days, the dumping areas, we have also got one dumping area in nearby area. So that highway movement is also good, and that weather is nice, so that work has been, somehow it has been, increase the pace of the work.
And the other, Kohima side, we're hearing that the dumping of the debris in Kohima side is at least 6 kilometers far now. Is that going to pose it as a challenge for the workers? Do you think that is going to pose the 72 hours ultimatum given by the state government? Is that going to be a little difficult? The length or the how far, like 6 kilometers is quite far. So is that going to be posing as a very huge, major challenge for the workers?
Yes, we have given one dumping area approximately 5 to 5.5 kilometers from that landslide area. So we are working. It is also posing a problem, because whatever the machinery has, it will take time to dump also. But no problem. We have increased our machinery, and whatever the resources we are having, we are trying to fix that in that resources only.
I wanted to know one more question. The Brent Eagle Vice President was there visited Hornbill TV and gave us a short interview. And one thing he mentioned was the shortage of machineries in this area. So has it increased in any way? What's the number of machineries right now?
No, we have increased the machinery. Whatever the machinery is required here, we have sufficient numbers of excavators also. Right now, 3 numbers of excavator on east side. Kohima side also and Dimapur side also it's working, and approximately 17 to 18 the highways, it's engaged in both shifts. So whatever the machinery shortage was there, we have tackled that, and we are doing our best to do that job.
Okay. So you will try to complete the road construction in 72 hours, or do you think it will be possible? Last question.
It is possible. We are doing that. We will clear that, but the problem is that road has also sinked. Whatever the existing road was there, it has also completely sinked. So after removing of this debris, we have to make road also. Maybe that will take some time, but we are trying to do that as soon as possible.
When did you get this project with the NHIDCL?
We got it last year, October. Yeah, from that NHIDCL. We have been awarded this contract.
So far, what are the kind of projects you have been taking up?
So far, we have done some DBMs, like 5 kilometer DBMs. Bristol, we are doing protection works 2 kilometers. Drain and other miscellaneous works are going on right now.
And also, since you took up the project just last year, there were other companies even before you also. Na? So what were the companies before you, and were they also taking up the same project and the same work as yours?
Yes, before us, 2 more other companies were there. EPC contractor was there. I think their name were Gayatri Projects Limited and Oasis. After that, we are the third contractor. who are working, and in between them some maintenance contractors were there, but we are the third company who have taken up this project.
And lastly, since you have taken up this project, there's always been an issue of landslide and falling of debris and having to clear it out now. So is it in the parameters of the company? Is it in the parameters of the company to clear this debris that falls down like this on the road?
Actually, it's not under our scope of work. For this, NHIDC has awarded one other contractor whose name is, I think, Mecca Ferry Infrastructure Private Limited. So they have taken all the protections work. But for the sake of this opening this road, we have engaged our full force to open this road for that betterment of this public.
Janai dia nishna tan 72 hours bitore do clear korle do bishi confident nishna bi hua ase holi bi tam bi kwa hopefully pani han bi na giri hola pani giri le ta han karne aru ekta dangor challenge hobo aru itu dangor challenge to ki ase gule tan debris khan do clear thagibo but still upora mati khan do ahi thagibo itia saigene jaile do mati do kobo koile do olop to ঠিক হৈ যাছে মাটি খান্দ সুখিয়া কাৰণে ইটো আৰু তাহান বি পৰ্যটক পানী খান বি পাম্প আউট কৰি কেনে মাটি do সুখা হৈ কেনে তাহান মাটি নাগিৰিবলে লাগা ট্ৰাই কৰি আছে কোৱাছে হোপফুলি তাহান 72 আৱাৰ্ছ ভিতৰতে বি ক্লিয়াৰ কৰিব পাৰিব এতিয়া তাহান জনাই দিয়া হিচাপ তাহান do ক্লিয়াৰ কৰিবলে কনফিডেন্ট আছে বাট আৰু আলাগ জাগাৰে চাই কেনে যাইলে তো তাহান 12 hours ভিতরে at least one lane to clear kuine manuge jawo diwole laga rasta bi khuli diwo kwaje itia karni man hobo Hornbill TV apni angi inega related updates kan bi ani thagibo reporter ke Christian Yuki ho camera person Joy Watch for Hornbill TV Kohima district.